Oh, they're going right now?
Yeah, Death Valley.
Here we are showing what we completed last weekend when Connie was in town. Learned a few things from my first video. One, hold the camera this way, not the tall way. And be careful about the inflection in my voice. Thought I sounded a little silly last week. Anyway, you can see the floors. The wood is actually in good condition. All that stuff on top is kind of deteriorated carpet padding. Looks pretty gross, but it's good because it can be sanded off. So took the carpet up in these front rooms. This hallway, you can see the wood there is pretty rotted. Maybe you can't tell, but we're going to be taking a lot of that up anyway. Then this was the really room, the room with a lot of surprises. So there's hard wood. Then they put down these sticky linoleum tiles. Then when I was doing the autopsy over here, you can't really tell very well, but they had some thick purple or pink and green carpet. And then on top of that, they took that out and put in the orange carpet. So got a lot done last week throughout here. And this week we're here to do the upstairs, show William, our architect, around. They can do measurements and look at the back patio. So on Sunday night, I will get another video and show you the more progress.